Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn the list of the drugs which are used in erectile dysfunction. The list of the drugs are in orally we can use phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitors like sildenafil and tadalafil. Actually these are most commonly used, but other drugs like alpha 2 blockers can be used. Alpha 2 blocker like yohimbine, alpha 1 and alpha 2 blocker like phentolamine. D1 agonist like apomorphine can be used lingually. Antidepressant can be used like trazodone. Then non-precursor, which is nitric oxide precursor like L-arginine can be used. Then in intracavernosal injection therapy, we can use prostaglandin E1 analog is used, which is alprostadil. Non-selective phosphodiesterase inhibitor, which is papaverine can be used. Non-selective alpha-1 blocker, which is phentolamine can be used. Vasoactive intestinal peptide analog, which is aviptadil is used. 5-HT2 and alpha blocker, which is ketanserine can be used. And thymoxamine, which is an alpha blocker with vasodilating properties, can be used. So these are all the drugs which can be used in erectile dysfunction. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.